What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva Crypto Babe. I'm back. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. If you look in the right hand corner of your screen, whether you're on a mobile device or your computer, you'll see a little red square that says subscribe. Go ahead and smash that for me. Alright, guys, so if you're here for the first time, guys, this is a channel in which I show you guys how to make money online using affiliate marketing programs or crypto. Okay, investing in crypto. Alright, guys, so today let's talk about this real quick. I want to show you how, with me using a sales funnel, I earned a little quick $50 commission just sending out an email, guys. Okay, so once you get your systems in place, this stuff works on autopilot. Okay, so this particular training right here will show you how to do that. All right, okay, so you want to purchase your automate your business with a six-figure system. This is where it teaches you, okay, how to start a sales funnel. What is a sales funnel and how to set up a sales funnel. Then it also gives you the training on email marketing strategy, okay, different styles of email marketing, how often should you email your list, different types of emails, 3 key points, okay, email marketing, guys. So once you set up your funnel, you get a marketing system that's going to have the autoresponder already included. If you're new, you can start that way. That way you don't have to worry about hooking up Aweber or any of that stuff, right? And then the system is going to send out emails on your behalf, right? That's one thing. Then you also have access and the ability to broadcast to your list as well. So you want a system where you can personally send emails so people will know you're a real person. Okay, the system will do the automated emails, but you also want to be hands-on and send a personal email. Okay, so I'm going to show you this system that I'm using. Okay, this particular one right here. I have couple other systems, but this is the one I'm showing you today that you can get for $19.95. It's $99 or $95. Okay, it's already set up with the email autoresponder, because this training membership doesn't come with a marketing system, but they train you on how to set one up. All right, so this system, let me show you this system that I use, and I sent out an email and a $50 commission came in. All right, so let me show you. Okay, this is the capture page right here for this system that you're going to buy the training for. Okay, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, you get this system, comes with this capture page. It's going to send out emails on your behalf, but you also are able to send broadcast emails too. Okay, so let's continue. Now, once people opt into that page, they're going to get this page right here. Okay, this is included with this system that you're going to spend $19.95 a month for. All right, so you have the company's video presentation here, 5-minute presentation. Then right here is a webinar presentation that really breaks down the whole program. All right, and then right here it says, well, how does it work? 3-step process. Get started. Pick your training package, which level you're going to come in at, which digital training package you want. Start following the training, and then that's when you'll start earning. So let's check this out here 1 second. Now, let's talk about that training, guys. Which training package do you need to receive that training I just talked about? See right here, it's called Automate Your Business with Your 6-Figure System. Okay, it's only 2 training packages that come with that. So let's take a look. Okay, that's going to be the Elite. See right here, create a 6-figure funnel. Create a 6-figure funnel. Now the difference in that one though, and this one, See, you need your email follow-up series, but if you get that system that I'm talking about, it automatically comes with that. But right here, this gives you 30-day emails that you can send personally that can come from you so that your prospects know that you're a real person. So you get way more if you spend that $300, okay, and get this particular package. Not to mention, you're going to be able to earn $300 commissions, $150 commissions, and $50 commissions. All right, so let me show you. I use this system right here, 1995, okay. Okay, I'm going to cover up the person's information, but I sent an email personally on February the 7th. Okay, I had it set up to go out a certain time. I sent this email, okay. Now, the person sent me an email back today and made a purchase. They purchased one of these training packages, okay. Okay, I'm covering up their name and email, but right here today, this afternoon, okay, just 24 hours later, this person sent me an email. They replied to that email I sent them about this opportunity that you're looking at, this training, and they said, hey, I just paid you $50 for IPS through Cash App. What's my next step? Okay, all from an email, guys. Okay, because I have systems set up. Okay, and if you look right here, Cash App 507. Okay, $50 for IPS. Okay, just because I automated everything. Okay, first you want to opt into this page, which is, the link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go here, enter your information, watch this video over here. Okay, you're gonna watch this video, then you're gonna come here, you're gonna watch this webinar. And if you want the training on how to automate everything, let's look at that once again. You can get it for $150, the 6-figure funnel. But if you want those emails where you send, now the system is gonna do what it's gonna do, okay? But to be personal, like I did, just said, hey, said who I am, and I sent an email personally. That's what made the person sign up. You get the 30-day email follow-up, so you can use these at your leisure. That's what I do. Okay, that's the $300 training. Okay, that will allow you to earn $300 commissions, $150 commissions, and $50 commissions. Okay, and then I'll work with you as well on some other resources that you can use as well, guys. But this is how you automate everything. A simple email. Okay, and that happens all the time. That's just, we get large commissions, we get small commissions, all of it is coins. Okay, but this is how a lot of times people sign up, just from an email either I sent personally or the system sent to them. All right, so go check this thing out. Link is in the description. Get your training, get started. Send me an email. Let me know you guys started, and I'll actually reach out to you, send you your welcome email, get you on board, and we can actually have a conversation on marketing strategies and additional resources that I will offer you as well by getting started with me. All right, so thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.